Indigo Direct presents BMW Ultimate Care Scheduled Maintenance. Now that you've selected your new BMW, you'll want the finest possible care. Your new BMW is covered with BMW Ultimate Care, which includes 3 years or 36,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. With BMW Ultimate Care Scheduled Maintenance, you'll rest easy knowing your factory-recommended scheduled maintenance services are performed without charge. You can enhance your coverage further by upgrading to BMW Ultimate Care Plus. Ultimate Care Plus covers the replacement of specific wear and tear items such as brake pads, wiper blades, and manual transmission clutch. You also have the option to extend your Ultimate Care Plus coverage for a total of up to 7 years or 125,000 miles. Or extend our basic Ultimate Care package for a total of up to 5 years or 75,000 miles. All scheduled maintenance will be performed at your BMW dealership by factory-trained technicians using genuine BMW parts. All you need to do is arrange an appointment with your BMW dealer and enjoy hearing the words, "There's no charge for your service."